In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Canva, if you're ready to keep your designs neat and easy to find. This quick walkthrough will get you set up in a couple of clicks. Start by opening Canva and making sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen you land on after signing in, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and the left side navigation. On that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click it. Projects is where Canva stores all your designs, uploads, and anything you've organized so far. Once you're inside the Projects area, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon. This is your Quick Create button. Click the plus icon and a small menu will pop up with a few choices. From that menu, select New Folder. This opens a simple prompt that prepares your folder. Now it's time to name your folder. Choose a clear, specific name that makes sense at a glance, something like Social Posts Q1, Client Assets, or Brand Graphics. Consistent naming helps you and anyone you work with find things quickly later. If you're collaborating, you'll also see the option to share this folder with your team. Click the Share option and choose the teammates who need access. Depending on your plan and workspace settings, you can typically set whether they can view or edit the contents. It's a good idea to grant only the access people truly need, so your shared space stays organized. After you've named the folder and adjusted any sharing preferences, click Continue. Canva will create the folder and drop you right back into your projects area, where your new folder will now appear in the list. From here, your workspace is ready to stay tidy and consistent, and your teammates will know exactly where to look for the latest assets. A few quick tips to make this work even better for you. Keep your folder names short but descriptive, use a consistent format for related folders, and consider adding a brief description inside your folder's details if you need extra context. If the plus icon isn't visible, make sure you're actually in the Projects section. Try resizing your browser window, or refresh the page to load the latest interface. And that's it. You've created a folder in Canva, named it clearly, optionally shared it with your team, and confirmed it by clicking Continue. Simple, fast, and ready for better organization.